Dear students, today we will discuss how to calculate log and antilog. Please like and subscribe my channel Masters Mind Education. So let us start. Before starting, I am writing formulas regarding log. The first formula is log AB. The formula will be log A plus log B. Second formula is log A upon B, that is log A minus log B. Third formula is log
A power B.
The formula is B log A. There are three formulas related to log. Now let us take an example. Students, I am taking an example of 4 digits, that is log 2525. Now students, there is no point in these 4 digits. So I will suppose point after the fourth digit. Make pairs of first 2 digit, then single, then again single. Now look at the log table. You have to look for logarithm chart. First two letters 25. 25 under 2, it comes out to be 4014. And again 5 of mean difference, that is 9. So means 4014 plus mean difference of 9, it will be 4023. Now there are 4 digits before point. So the rule is 4 minus 1. It comes out to be 3. So therefore 3.4023. The number of digits before the point minus 1. Let us take another example. Example number 2. Log 25.25. Pair it 25 single 4014 plus 9 again 4023. There are 2 digits before the point, so therefore 2 minus 1, it comes out to be 1.403. Taking another example, log 2.5, pairing it up 25 to 5. Same, it comes to be 4023. Before point there are 3 digits. 3 minus 1, it comes out to be 2. So 2.4023 will be the final answer. Students, always remember the first digit will be decided on the basis of number of digits before the point. Always remember number of digits before the point. Students, now I am taking another example by using formula. You have to calculate the log 552 into 10 raised power 2. How to solve it? Apply formula. That is, consider this as A, consider this as B. Now, according to formula, log A into B, the formula will be log A plus log B. Now, in this part, you have to apply another formula, that is log A powers B. So, therefore, the formula will be 2 log 10. Log 552, pair it single 55 2. Look at the log table. 55 under 2, it comes out to be 7419. 7419. As I told you, we have to suppose point after the third digit. So number of digits before the point are 3. 3 minus 1, it comes out to be 2. So answer for log 552 is 2.7419 plus 2. Log for 10 is 1. So 2.7419 plus 2. The final answer will be 4.7419. This is your final log answer. I hope you have understand the log concept. Now let us move to antilog. Students, antilog is of two types: positive antilog and negative antilog. First we will start with positive antilog. Dear students, let us take an example number 1. I am writing 15.297. Before point in antilog, it will goes to 10 raised power. Before point, the letter is 1 5, so it will goes to power. Now pair it. You have to look for the chart in the table 29 under 7. 29 is written over here. 29 under 7. This 7. It comes out to be 1982. So straight away 1982. Always put point after the first digit in antilog. Moving to second example, I am taking antilog 4.4272. Place this letter 4 in 10 raised power. Now pair it. Now look for the chart under 42 under 7. 42, here it is 42, under 7 it comes out to be 2673, and mean difference of 2 is 1. So therefore the answer will be 2673. Point will be after the first point. So this is example number 2 for antilog. Now students, taking example of negative antilog, that is I am taking example minus 40.881. Now the letter bigger than 40 is 41. So how to write it? Minus 41 plus 41 bracket minus this whole term 40.881. Now this minus 41 will goes to 10 raised power minus 41. Subtract it, 41 minus 40.881, it comes out to be 0.119. Pair it single. Checking the antilog chart, you will get 1315 into 10 raised power minus 41. Place point after first digit in antilog. This is how you can calculate the value of negative antilog. Well, students, thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel Masters Mind Education, and you can visit at our Instagram page @Masters Mind Education. Thank you.